I light a stove burner. I tear a banana off the bunch. My dog smells stuff. I burn sparklers in the rain. I squeeze a pillow. I pet my cat. I toss a jacket. My cat eats brunch. Never mind. I rustle some leaves. I peel a banana. I pet a dog. I drop my keys on the rug. I drop my microphone. My cat eats dry food. I press, click, or flip buttons, knobs, or switches. I Velcro. I boil water. I save one piece of a banana to squish. My cat yawns. I grind some fresh pepper. I Lego. My girlfriend sings along to the solo parts of a Jimi Hendrix song. I give the squish piece to my dog. I shuffle a deck of cards. Poorly. I drink water. My dog shakes. I start my 1965 Plymouth Valiant V200 Signet with a slant 6 engine. My cat licks its mouth. My dog does other paw. My car finally starts. My cat meows from across the house during an audio project. I Bob Ross.
Okay, now grab the old 2-inch brush. Be sure it's dry. And I want to create the illusion of mist down at the base of this. So take the top corner of the brush and firmly tap. Just firmly tap. That's all we're doing.